Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So as y'all can see, we are at Dollar General and we are about to get into a super quick $5 challenge. I don't have a lot of time, so I want to be in and out of here. I just want to do one quick transaction using that new 2 off of 7 Dove digital coupon that we have. So I am in the $1 aisle, as you can see, with all of the $1 stuff, and I am going to start over here in the pet treat section or pet food section. So the first thing I'm going to grab is 2 of these Dental Life dog treats. These are the 1.1 ounce, I believe, 1.1 ounce, a large dog treats. So these are $1 in the dollar section, and I am going to use this $2 off manufacturer coupon on these. So this coupon includes any size or any variety. It has a limit of 4. So I'm just going to grab 2 today. And shout out to my girl Short Mama Couponer for posting this deal. I saw it on her page or her channel, but I know it came from her. But this will give us $1 in overage to get started on our $5 challenge today. The next thing I'm grabbing is one of these Dove deodorants from the travel section. So these are $1.25. We're going to use the $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon on this. The next item I'm grabbing is one of these double pack deodorants. I could get one of the single deodorants. They are cheaper, so just keep that in mind. You can grab one of these for $2.25, but I want to get a little bit more bang for my buck, so I'm going to get one of these double pack of deodorants. These are $3.75, and this is going to be the second item in my $2.25 off of 2 digital coupon, or $2.50 off of 2 digital coupon, I should say. I am also going to grab one of the Axe deodorants for $2.50. We did this deal last week. I'm going to use that $2 off digital coupon, make that 50 cents. And I'm going to grab one of these Degree men's deodorants. These are still a moneymaker. They're $1.85. I'm going to use the $1.25 off of 1 digital, and then I'm going to get $1 back from Fetch Rewards as well. So these will be a nice little moneymaker for us. The next thing I'm going to grab is one of the Dove body washes for women. So I actually wanted to get the one that was $4.50 because that'll be a little bit cheaper for us, but they are out of that one. So I'm going to grab one of the bigger bottles here for $6. And you want to be careful with this because not all of these scents are actually attaching to that 2 off of 7 digital coupon. I think the mango scent does not attach to that 2 off of 7, but I'm still going to grab this one because I want this scent and because I have enough of other Dove products with the deodorant and the other body wash that I'm going to get for that coupon to still work. And then now I'm going to get one of the Dove men's body wash. So I'm going to grab this Clean Comfort because I believe this scent does work with the 2 off of 7 coupon. So this will give us over $7 in Dove. So the next thing I wanted to try out was one of the $3 Snuggle starter kits because we got this new $3 off coupon and last Sunday's Retail Me Not. Well, y'all, I don't think I'll be able to try that today, but if you have some in stock, then I would try this out to see if this coupon is working, because if so, it's a nice freebie. Because they are all missing, I'm thinking that that's probably working pretty well. Alright you guys, so this is my complete little $5 challenge, and if you guys are not familiar with the $5 challenges, this is where we try to do a transaction for around $5 or less after all of our coupons. The goal is to keep it really low out of pocket, but also not have to use our 5 off of 25 coupons. So these are deals that you can do at any time during the week. So I think this is a really nice personal care deal if all works out. So we have 2 of the Dental Life dog treats there. I'm just going to use those $2 off coupons for those. We have our Degree men's, that's $1.85. We're going to use our $1.25 off digital coupon, and we should also get back $1 from Fetch. We have our 2 Dove body washes, 1 men's, 1 women's. Dove women's is $6, and then the Dove men's is $4.50. We're going to use that buy one get one free coupon on that. We have 2 of the Dove deodorant, and again, you can make this still a little bit cheaper by getting the single pack of deodorant. I'm going to get a little bit more today and get that double pack and 1 travel size as well. And then we have the Axe that is $2.50. I am going to use the $2 off digital coupon. So the only paper coupons we're going to be using today are the $2 off Dental Life coupons, and then that buy one get one free. We will also be using that 2 off of 7 for our Dove products as well. So we should be getting back at least $2 from Fetch for this deal. So we should have at least $2 in cash back coming back to us. We should get at least $1 for the Dove deodorant, and we should get at least $1 for the Degree. So that'll help us out a little bit as well. So let's go up to the register and see how this works out. All right, you guys, so I am out of the store. Let's talk about how that went real quick, because I did have an issue. So the Dental Life scanned perfectly. That was a nice $1 overage on each one of those. No issues with that coupon at all. The Axe digital coupon came off, $2.50, $2 digital. The Degree, we knew that was going to work. We did that last week. $1.85, $1.25 coupon. And then the Dove deodorant was fine. That $2.50 digital came off. Now the buy one get one free body wash coupon, that paper coupon, is where I had the issue. And I'm not sure if it's because of the scents that I got, but y'all, I wasn't leaving the store without that mango. So if I have to have an issue for the mango, then I will. But that coupon beeped. It said no item matched or something like that. So the cashier had to call over the manager. I asked her to call the manager over since I knew it was the right coupon for the right product. The manager just manually entered the coupon. So that's why you see the $4.50 deducted from the mango body wash versus the Dove men's. And so after that coupon was deducted, I entered in my phone number so that all of my digitals can apply. I did enter in my paper coupons before my digitals in this transaction. It really doesn't matter either way with a transaction like this. And then my subtotal came up to $5.60 for all 8 items, and I had a total savings of $16.25. Now where it gets good is that I also got back $1 for that double pack of Dove deodorant, and I got back $1 for the Degree on Fetch. So I've already gotten that $2 back. So y'all, $5.60, and we got back $2 in cash back from Fetch. All 8 of these items, y'all, including the double pack and the 2 Dove body washes, cost us $3.60. So even with that little hiccup, I will take $3.60 for these items. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.